What's up, guys? I'm doing a little quick video of my 2011 BMW Series 5 f10 535i. What I did so far on it, I put some tint on it, 15%. Plastic dipped the rims black. Covered the emblem, the blue logo on the BMW all the way around. Around the low cabs. Back to 535. Do a little quick one on the inside. It's a little bit dirty. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, front passengers, and for the back too also. Sunroof, dash cam. Sorry about that, guys. Got the heated seats. Also got the little mesh. And in the back windshield too. Usually comes up. Got the folding mirrors. Alright guys, thank you for watching.